Now, even as the Adani Group withdrew as main sponsor to the Wharton India Economic Summit, the prestigious school has now invited Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal as a speaker. This after Gujarat CM Narendra Modi's keynote address was cancelled due to objections from the faculty and the students.
Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal will begin his indefinite fast on the 23rd of March. On the same day, he will also address the Wharton India Economic Conference via a video conference. Kejriwal has been roped in after Modi got the snub. The decision to withdraw the invite to Modi has been a controversial one. And the organisers of the Wharton India Economic Forum claim they were left with no choice.
Is this economic forum so naive that they didn't know of the other track records or controversies surrounding Mr. Modi before they invited him, that they needed a few petitions by a few interested groups to decide it? That's a question that needs to be answered.
But that decision not to have Modi as one of the keynote speakers has taken a political turn. With another panelist, also a Shiv Sena leader, miffed and deciding to skip the event.
I think it's an insult to an institution of a chief minister because he was invited in that capacity. A person who has been elected thrice in that office by the people of Gujarat in a free and fair election which is conducted by none other than the Election Commission of the country.
Even the event sponsor, ironically an industry giant from Gujarat, the Adani Group, has also decided to pull out from the event. But for the opposition, following the political developments in Delhi over the weekend, this is a fit opportunity to strike back.
First of all, there is no invitation from Wharton. It is Indian Economic Forum, organized students, Indian student origin or supporters of India organized this group. There is no official invitation. Here, Mr. Modi's tactics or his way of publicity stunts.
He has a lot still to answer, and a lot of people, not just Congress, but a lot of people across the world who are not prepared to accept him as a respectable leader.
It was a global platform to stimulate dialogue on India's growth story. Instead, the Wharton India Economic Forum has turned into a political talking point in India. Bureau Report, Times Now.